Hey guys, welcome back to PooLin channel. This is Sean. Today, we are going over something really important. How to properly maintain your PooLin EOV embroidery machine. A well-maintained machine lasts a longer life and gives you better results every single time. Okay, let's get it started. First, let's talk about lubrication. Just like any precise machine, your machine needs regular oiling to keep all the moving parts running smoothly. For the following steps, we will be using white oil, also known as sewing machine oil. You will find a small bottle included in your toolkit for regular maintenance. For the bobbin area, if you are embroidering daily, we recommend oiling it every day. About 3 to 5 drops is enough. For the two needle bars, you only need to oil them about once a week. Again, 3 to 5 drops is enough. For the lower needle bar, grab a flathead screwdriver from your toolkit to remove the panel. Add some sewing machine oil, then put the panel back in place. Then rotate the color change hand wheel until you are on the needle 15. From the side, you will see the silver rod. Add 3 to 5 drops of oil. Do this every 2 weeks. Add 3 to 5 drops of oil in the spot. Do this every 2 weeks. Next, we will use the fully synthetic lithium grease. Usually, you only need to apply it once every 6 months. Take the Phillips screwdriver from your toolkit and remove these two covers. Use a brush to apply the grease to the spot while turning the color change hand wheel to spread it evenly. Then dip the brush again and apply grease to the screw connections. And that's it! Keeping your PooLin EOV embroidery machine well maintained is simple, right? It ensures great results on every project. Follow these tips and your machine will last longer and run smoothly for years. Okay, see you next video. Bye!